Let me now show you how to enter a call credit spread with a 75% probability of winning. First, select Bank Nifty. We'll go down to the option chain, and like I mentioned, we only need to work with the calls. See, Bank Nifty is at 38,400 right now. I'm going to short 39,000 one lot at position, and then I'm going to buy 40,000 call option. Now let's take a look at the chart. You can now see on the screen the probability of profit is more than 70%. The estimated margin or the money that you will need to enter this trade is around 37,000 rupees, and the maximum profit that you can make is 5,400 rupees. Important thing is to take a look at the break even, because if the Bank Nifty does not cross 39,216 by the end of the expiration of this trade, you're going to make maximum profit, but also maximum loss can be around 19,500 rupees, and that can only happen if Bank Nifty crosses 39,216. That's it for this video, and for more strategies, make sure you follow Financial Minimalist on all platforms. See you.